Hello and welcome back to another time lapse by VC Penguin for Dungeon Playbook. This is the third recording from the slime set that I've done, and this is the Hezrou Demon of Slimes. So in the lore, there is no Hezrou Demon of Slimes except for one, which was a demon from another guy who got absorbed by a black pudding, which is the most corrosive and dangerous of any slimes or oozes that we know about. This one was then forced together mentally and spiritually by the Lord of Slimes himself to create a creature known only as Darkness Given Hunger, or Hunger Given Darkness. I don't remember. I think it's Darkness Given Hunger. And it's gone on to be one of the only faithful servants of the Lord of Slimes who has any sense of self and ability to do it. So basically I took the toad-like form of the Hezrou and tried to incorporate that into the reflection and tried to give it some as though it still retained some sense of its form. And so I included teeth, eyes, some suggestions of hands, but I wanted to make it look like it was all kind of still made of slime and still within the slime. Then you have to kind of look through it like black jelly to be able to see the creature's form within. And I think I did a pretty good job of that. Yes, it has been pointed out that this looks a lot like the Pokemon Muck, and you're dead on right about that. I really wish I had thought of that myself when I was drawing it, because that would have been excellent reference material. So I guess I look like quite the fool, but luckily for me the picture looks like quite the badass black ooze. So enjoy the video. The song is pretty appropriate for this one. I was going to use it for the shadow set, but there we go. Enjoy. It's one of my favorites.
You